Gusto hindi ka take ba kay mumuko pa magkalit? Balik ko na po. Ikaw, Richie, you've always been more than our first child. You're a role model, a guide, and a source of strength for your siblings. I am so proud of the woman you are.
Char.
Ken Russell, thank you for loving Richie the way you do. Your love is being tested, especially during the time of her illness. But here you are, stay faithful and strong. Truly, you're an answered prayer for us. We thank God for having you.
Si Papa Judy. Alala.
And we're also grateful that you're not just partners in life, but also in serving the Lord. So, padayon sa pag-alaga, no? Ibutang ang Ginoo na sino sa inyong kaminyoon. And always remember, the presiding priest shared a while ago that 3C, no? For you to achieve a happy married life. The first C is
Communication.
good. The second is
Reputation.
second C. That is commitment. And the third is
No.
Christ. Yes, not Christ. Love each other. Pwede pa ka muna ibasa. Be patient and hold on to each other through every season of life. Congratulations, Russell and Richie. Kumay-kumay, Maria Sophie and Compadre Jude, congratulations. You raised a good son, a good loving son, kind. And it's fine, Richie, that you're the one to say, I love you. Yes. Yes. Well deserved. I know the effort that Ken had done in order to get that word, I love you. And well deserved. And here you are. To everyone present today, from the Torres Bayumbong family, to our dear friends, relatives, to Yabong, Lipangos, and Igot family, as well as to my valued colleagues in service, thank you from the bottom of our hearts. From our
Joke.
From the bottom of our hearts, dawang. Naku, ano ba yung mga konfidon? Ay, mga afam. Our hearts. Your presence, love, and support mean too much. So much to know to our family. May God bless you all abundantly.
Si Papa.